आज मेरे पास बिल्डिंगें हैं, प्रॉपर्टी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, बंगला है, गाड़ी है। क्या है तुम्हारे पास? मेरे पास माँ है।
Right now, this is the perfect dialogue for India because India now has the mother of all deals. So now I'll tell you why you should care about this deal in just 60 seconds. India has signed a free trade agreement with European Union. Purpose: reduce tariffs, boost export and make some import cheaper. When it comes to why this deal matters, let's look at the bigger changes. European cars used to have a massive 110% import tax, making them super expensive. But now this will gradually drop to 10% over 5 years. So cars will become much cheaper and people will have more choices. Wine, spirits and olive oils were taxed around 150%, but now wine and spirit will 20 to 40% and olive oil will be completely tax-free. For industrial goods like machinery, chemicals and pharma inputs, tariffs of 5 to 20% will now mostly disappear, making manufacturing cheaper and easier. Finally, Indian exports like textile, gems and pharma products, which used to face 5 to 10% tariff in Europe, will now be almost 90% tariff-free, saving exporters money, creating more jobs, and making Indian products more competitive globally. This deal didn't happen overnight. It took almost 20 years of negotiation, and now India has a strong foothold in the global market. And one more thing, India now has alternative markets, which is very important if the US tariffs hurts exports. But yes, agriculture, autos, and carbon-heavy products still restricted. So this deal is not just for big businesses, it's important for ordinary people too. India's power in global trade just got much stronger. So now it's your turn. What do you think about this deal? Do you see it as a good or bad? Let's discuss in the comments.